those animals are narwhals. They wouldn't make good pets, but they're very real indeed. The male narwhal has a long horn. It's really a tooth that can grow up to 10 feet. Imagine putting one of those under your pillow for the tooth fairy. As you might imagine, narwhals don't have many enemies, but there are other dangers in their ocean home. Yes, sir. Once, when I was flying over the Arctic, I saw a family of narwhals swimming together in the pack ice, looking for fish. Suddenly, the ice closed around them. They were trapped. This meant trouble, because like all whales, narwhals need air to breathe, and the open ocean was miles away. They carefully took turns surfacing for air, but if the hole closed, their air supply would be cut off. Their only chance was for the ice to break up. Whoa! Audra, just in the nick of time, the ice shifted again. The trapped narwhals were finally free to swim back to the open ocean to join other Arctic whales. Now here's another whale that might interest you, the beluga. Belugas used to be called sea canaries. And you know why, Audra? Because they sound like birds. Listen. Those sounds are the way belugas talk to each other and find their way under all that ice. Belugas swim in family groups. The young calves stick close to mom. They're born gray and slowly turn white as they get older. Now, Audra, belugas and narwhals share their Arctic home with lots of other animals, including these curious black and white birds called murres. They're quite clumsy on land, and they even have a little trouble getting into the air. But once in the sea, their wings power them through the water, and their legs act like rudders, steering them to a deep-sea dinner, sometimes 300 feet down. Pretty amazing, eh? You know, you never know who you'll find living in and around the Arctic ice. Just watch.